So today for the bag, I'm going to be using this material. So this is going to be my lining fabric, and this is the outer fabric. So they both fabrics are the same size, and I'm going to give you the measurement. So the measurement you need is 43 centimeters across and 73 lengthwise. Okay, so that's what you need, and that's what you need both of your fabric to be, so both the inside and the outside. So this is where I'm going to be. And then you want to make sure that you lay both fabric on top of each other like so, and everything is laid evenly. So this is where I'm gonna be starting from. It should be a simple tutorial. So first off, I'm gonna measure. So this would be the bottom of the bag, and this is the top of the bag. So at the top here, this is where the handle, the straps handle of the bag will be. So the width of the handle will be, I'm going to be using 5 centimeters. Okay, so I'm going to mark that here, 5 centimeters. All right, and then from the top down, I'm going to go down by about 37 centimeters from the top. So that's 37, and mark that here. So now what I'm gonna do is there's no official measurement for this. You just want to make sure that you curve this and meet up with the 5 centimeter point here. So just free-handed, just curve it and come and meet up at the top here. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, I hope you can see that. So it's very simple. Just curve that all the way up and cut that out. So that will be the straps, and this will be where the base of the bag will be. So we're gonna cut that off. So, and now this is what you have. So you have 2 pieces like this. You can already see that this is a bag. Okay, very simple. So you should have 4 pieces like I said. So the inside, so 2 inside and 2 outside. Okay, so you want to line up your fabric pieces like so. Okay, so on the outside fabric, you want to sew 4 ways, 1, so down, across, and up. Okay, on this, however, we're going to leave a gap here. Okay, so sew the same way, but leave a gap, so we can use that to turn inside out once we finish sewing. So here, leave a gap here, but sew the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do next. So I left the gap like I said down here. So what you want to do now is open where you have the corners. I'm gonna be cutting off the corners. Okay, 3 inches, which is 8 centimeters this way and 8 centimeters that way. So make sure the triangle is even, and you want to do the same thing on all 4 corners. Okay, okay, so once you've got your triangles worked out, okay, you want to sew across that line, okay, so I'm gonna do that now. Okay, So once you've done that, you want to go ahead and cut this bit off, but make sure you do not cut your stitching, okay? So just and pretty much what you've cut out is a square. So if you want to do the square first and cut that out, that's fine, but I just find it easier doing it this way for me. So I'm just gonna tidy up a little bit, and now we're going to put the two pieces together. So turn this inside out. So you have to turn the inside out, and so you have much, and then you want to wear this one like so inside it. So this one needs to be on the outside, so just make sure you wear it pretty much, and make sure you match all of the pieces together, because we're going to be sewing the okay, so now what you want to do is sew here, the U here, and then on the other side you want to do the same thing, okay? Okay, so this is sewn. Now I'm gonna pull everything inside out. Is it? What did we do that? So just open it up and sew straight like so. And we'll finish the cap. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to close this gap here. So once you finish closing that gap, then that's pretty much done. That's your bag. All done and dusted. Okay, so that's how you sew a simple, nice boho bag. It's very simple, very easy to make, and it's very deep, so you're not going to be losing any of your items in here. So as you can see, it looks pretty. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you come back again for another tutorial.